So today guys, gonna cook some kingfish. So this is a kingfish. Gonna soak it with lime and white vinegar. We're gonna cook some jasmine rice. So guys, so first what we're gonna do here, gonna cut the lime. So a very dull knife right here, as you can see. Cut the lime, put the lime here. Fish. Then we'll put some vinegar afterwards. So lime and some water. Then we put the vinegar after and let it sit for like a minute or two. So yes guys, this is all the seasoning I'm gonna use. This is black pepper and this is a Maggi fish season. We're gonna use some Maggi chicken flavor, which is Maggi chicken season, Maggi all purpose. Gonna use some ginger. We're gonna use some pimento, garlic and ginger. We're gonna use the Maggi all purpose guys, and we're gonna use some pimento as well. So we're gonna grind the pimentos. Okay, so here we have some already that I beat. This is how I do it. So this is a pimento. So I'm gonna put all the seasoning and I'm gonna combine all the seasoning together guys. Then I'm gonna use it to season the kingfish. Okay, so I'm put a little of each, probably less than a teaspoon, depends on how many fish you're gonna season. So look out in the next video guys. So what I do here, use a napkin and make sure I dry all the water. So I get rid of all the water. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it guys. Check it out. So I'm gonna season it right now. Yeah. So look how I'm seasoning. This is all my seasoning here I mixed together. So I just do like this guys. Two sides. Make sure well seasoned inside. This is how we do it guys. Looking nice. Yes guys, so here's the rice. I put some butter, put a piece of thyme. See the thyme right there? I'm gonna cut up some onions. Yeah, some onions in the rice. This is some white jasmine rice I'm cooking. Yeah, kind of make the pot, seasoning the pot guys. Here I'm gonna use some of the Maggi. It's a special, it's one of the secret ingredients. See, not much guys. Yeah, use this one, salt season, a little ginger powder. Trust me guys, it's gonna be lovely, tastes lovely. All my secret ingredients, see? Just seasoning the rice guys. Yeah. Later on guys, later on I'm gonna put green pepper. This is Jamaican green pepper. Yeah, so later on I'll put a green pepper. Yeah. Cutting up onion, carrots, tomato, and sweet pepper. That go later, along with my Scotch bonnet pepper. Later on, guys. So later on, cut up all these all the season. Gonna work later on. Here's my oil over here. It's getting really hot, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna fry some onion in it too, just to give it some flavor. So yes, guys, check it out. That's the kingfish frying right here, guys. So I'm gonna let it fry for maybe till both sides is brown, guys. So I'm gonna wait till both sides is brown. You know Jamaican like to cook things right through, so that's where we're cooking it right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it, make sure each side is brown, golden brown. Yes guys, so see where's the fish all finished, all fried. So we're gonna cook it up right now. See all the onion, carrot, sweet pepper, bell pepper, Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes man, have to have it in it. And we have some onions too as well. So we're gonna fry it up over here. Yes guys, so I drained the oil and I'm gonna use the same oil to fry the stuff in. So I'm gonna put everything together. guys, so we're gonna fry it up. Yes guys, so we're gonna add some water. We have it fried up right here. We're gonna add some water to it. Yes guys, we're adding some water. What that matter about water? We're gonna put the Grace tomato ketchup. So we're gonna add some ketchup. Maybe like a teaspoon, 3 teaspoons or more. That's it. I'm gonna add some Spurs, Jamaican, see, Scotch bonnet pepper. We're not putting much, just a tip. Don't want it too spicy. See, Jamaican Grace fish and meat sauce. Oh my God, I love this sauce. It's the best. See, it's fish and meat sauce. Yes, guys, and this is a sweet and spicy sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit, just to give it some taste. This Wicker one-stop sauce, Caribbean sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna let it simmer for like, I'm gonna let this simmer for like 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna put the fish in later. Then I'm gonna put these in later. You see this, guys? Ready to eat. You see it? Yes, guys. So I'm gonna put it in later. Give it like 5 minutes. So yes, guys. So we just put the kingfish in. We're gonna let it stay for like 5 minutes, guys. Then we'll turn the stove off, and then that's it. Here we have the rice over here, steaming. This guys, the rice is done. So we're just gonna wait. Okay, guys, just finished. This guys, so over here, so we got the finished product. Look at it, guys, looking very delicious, guys. That's the kingfish with white jasmine seasoned rice. Look at that, guys. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. That go far away, guys. Look at, yes, guys, that's a finished product. You see it again? Look. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Yes, guys, that's Jamaican Yardie style king.